Program to display upper and lower triangle of a matrix. So when we have n by n matrix, that is a square matrix, and when we want to show the upper and lower triangle, so this is called the diagonal matrix. This is the upper part, this is the lower part. So when the program runs, the output shall be, the upper is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is the upper one. And what is the lower one? These one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So there are two ways to look at this problem. If I assume this to be a diagonal, then this upper one and this lower one, this can also be shown. So the logic, I'll just tell you what we are going to do with this, but first understand that we are dealing with this as a diagonal. So whenever I take, say, a matrix which is, say, the order is 4 by 4, that is 4 row and 4 column, and the logic lies in the subscript, in the array subscript only. So if you take an array, say A, and this is 4, 4, this is a double dimensional matrix. So this will be 0, first row, second row, third row and fourth row. Always remember that the array will start with 0. So in order to get 4, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, and if you compute it, 0, 1, 2, 3 will 0, 1, 2, 3 computes to 4 only. Here also 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Now what is this value which will be A00? 0. This is how we deal with this value or access or change. So this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, this is 0, 2. I am taking first the row and then the column. So 0, 3. Now this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. This is 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Now what is the diagonal? Where I and j. I, we are using it for the row. Always remember, whenever we are dealing with a double dimensional matrix, we will use two loops. I for the row. First we will go to one row, then deal with all the columns. So I is for row, j is for all the columns. So here, if you say I is greater than j, when I is equal to j, this will be a diagonal 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, right? So this is a diagonal, I is equal to j. When I say I is greater than j, 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 0, 3 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2. So when we say I greater than j, if I just put a if construct and say I greater than j, I'll get a lower matrix. So this will be lower matrix. If I say I less than j, 0 is less than 1, 0 is less than 2, 0 is less than 3, 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3. Upper matrix will come, upper matrix will come. So this is the simple logic. Now just to complete this, if you say this is my diagonal, then in order to show these upper matrix and lower matrix, you have to use the logic like I plus j. If it is greater than the order, if I plus j is less than or this is greater than equal to the order, and I plus j is less than order, so this will give you the upper and lower matrix. So this is for this diagonal. If you take this as a diagonal, then upper and lower will be shown by this logic. But now we are dealing with this diagonal, and upper and lower we are showing for this. So we are dealing with this one now. So let us see the program. So here is our program. In this, first of all the customer activity for a C program will be done. That is hash include stdio.h, stdio.h, conio.h, or that you are going to do. Coming to the main. So we have an array. Now you can give any size. It is up to you. I and j for row and column. Then we have row size and column size. So just ask the user to enter the row and column size. Row and column, just take it in row size and column size. Now ask the user to enter the elements now. As I said, we are dealing with the matrix, double dimensional matrix. So we will start with I equal to 0 for row, and for in first row all the column values you have to take. So for j, take with %aij. So this logic, this construct code snippet will take all the values for the matrix. Now this is done. Now entered matrix, you can show the matrix. So whenever you want to show the matrix, you want to show them in the matrix form, that is the rectangular form or square form. For that, first take the row and print a /n. That is, you want every time for a row you need to go to the second line, next line, right? So this is for next line, and whenever you want to print the column values, you need to put a /t, that is first value. Then you have a space, that is /t tab. This is tab. Tab is normally equal to 4 spaces. So first, second, third, fourth, like this. Then you go to the new line, because once this column size has been, I'm just dealing with 4 into 4 now. Then you go to the next line. Then again 4 values are printed. Then again next line 4 values are printed. Then again next line 4 values are printed, like this. Okay. So you have these 4 lines. So this will be printed like this. Next, you have to have a lower diagonal elements of the matrix. So let me make a matrix and I'll show you how it is shown. Say we have a 4 by 4 matrix. We have the values like this: 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 9, 6, 3, 2, 1, 4, 8, 9, 6, 3, 2. Right? So this is our diagonal. If I is greater than j, I told you, if I is greater than j, you are going to get the lower diagonal matrix. That is, this one will be shown. So here 3, 2, 1 and 2, 3 will be shown. So there is no problem as such. 3, 2, 1 and 2, 3, 6. Yes. This is that is why it is called as a triangle, because it makes a triangle. Now coming to this one, when you want to show the upper diagonal elements, so here we will add one more thing here. What is this /t? So if we go to this, first of all we'll go to this one, first row, and this one. 4, it will not match with I less than j. So we have to put a /t. So if I is less than j, then you put the value, you print the value. Otherwise, you have to put a /t. So you have to put a space here. Then go to this value. It will match. I is less than j. 3 will be shown. It will match. 2 also will match. So 2 will be shown. 1 will match. 1 will be shown. Then you come to the next line. This is first line, second line, because you have a /n here. And all these will be separated by /t. So you have a 4 spaces here, 4 spaces here, 4 spaces here. Coming to the next line. Here 3 will not match. So you have to put a /t. This will not match. So else will be /t. So you have to put a slash. Well, that means tab. That is 4 spaces. This will also not match with I less than j. So you have to put a tab. This will not be seen. These are white spaces. The next is 9. This will match. This will also match. Next time you come to this line. 2, 1, 4 will not match. So you have to put a /t. 8 you have to print. Next time you come here. This will not match. This will not match. This will not match. This will not match. So you put a tab. This will not be shown white spaces. So only this matrix will be shown. This is your upper diagonal matrix. This is the logic of the program.